Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. D'Alessio, and today we are going to be making our first green screen project, and we are using some turkey talk videos that our students have filmed of each other. And by the way, if you want to, you don't have to do anything to this video. If you like it just the way it is and you like that pretty green background, go ahead and upload it straight to YouTube as unlisted and then embed it right onto your Google site, and you don't need to do anything else. But for some of you, you may want to get fancy, and so in order to do that, you have to remember that the first thing you're going to do is put your photos into iPhoto, and your video we're going to import into iMovie. So I'm going to drop my photo right into iPhoto, which is I found in my applications folder. And it will open up iPhoto and import it in there. And as soon as it's already there, then you can just close that. And then I'm going to go ahead and open iMovie. And I'll just say this for later. And I'm going to go ahead and start a new project. But before I do that, this is a really important step. Over here where it says iMovie, once I'm in iMovie, I want to go into my preferences and make sure that over here where it says General, that you have this clicked, Show Advanced Tools. That's really important. And then I'm going to do File, New Project, and I'm going to do No Theme, and go ahead and name your project. And then you can make this standard, and then go ahead and press Create. And the next thing I'm going to do is import my movie. I've dragged it out onto the desktop just to make it easy to find from my folder, and I'm going to do Import Movies, and then I'm going to navigate to the desktop, and I'm going to choose Anila's just for fun for today, just to show. And you can either copy it or move it. So if you copy it, then you can throw the other one later. If you move it, then the other one will disappear off the desktop. And I'm going to go ahead and import. And it will take about a minute. Be patient. And you are going to see the video appear down here on the bottom when it's ready. And you can add it to an existing event or create a new event. I'm calling this one Green Screen Turkey Talks. Okay, wonderful. Now, the other thing I'm noticing is that this speech is 1 minute and 3 seconds. I can see right here on the bottom. And I want to maybe put the photo down first. If I'm going to have it with a green screen on the background, I'm going to go ahead and put the photo on the bottom layer. And right here you can see the setting says it's 4 seconds long. Well, my video is 1 minute and 3 seconds long, and so I want to make sure that I want to match the length of the time that the photo is showing to the length of the video. And if it is 1 minute and 3 seconds, that's 63 seconds. So I can enter in 63. Yes, you have to do a little math, and then press done. And now my turkey is going to last 1 minute 3 seconds. Now I can grab Anila's video over here, and I'm going to select the entire thing. And then I can click and hold down where I see that little hand, and I'm going to drag it up to the top and plop it right up there. Now you have several different choices here, and we can talk about the other ones in a minute. In this case, I'm going to try the green screen first. And notice she is on the front. It cut off a little bit of my video here, but I can just scooch this over to make sure that I get my whole entire video. And you can stretch it about, and you might even want to play it back too. I'm going to stretch that so that my video lasts the entire time. And there she is. And I can play it back.
My turkey's name is Tanya. Tanya's hobbies are
And
dancing,
it's perfect. I like it.
listening to music, and playing the clarinet. Tanya is
Now,
a
if you
fun
can
and
see, she's
playful
moving a little
dance
bit. It's
teacher.
because
She
the
has
the
students
person
of
who is
all
filming this
ages.
was maybe moving the camera a little bit. That's why
Tanya
it's
has
always great to use a
performed
tripod if you have one.
many
But
performances.
for the most part,
Her
I think
first
it looks pretty
performance
good.
was when she was just 3.
So when you're done, you can press share and export your movie. And you can just go ahead and export it to the desktop for now in medium. And you can press the export button. Now I'm going to show you another option just in case maybe you don't want everybody to see your face and you don't want to do the green screen way, or you don't like it for some reason. You can put the green screen down first, and then I can take my photo and I can click and I can drag this on the top of the video. And this time maybe I want to do a cutaway, which means that I'm going to put the photo on the top of the pictures so that you could hear her voice in the back, but you can't see her. And then you want to stretch that so it lasts the whole time. So
Playing the clarinet. Tanya is a fun and playful.
Notice I can't see her, but I could still hear her voice. And one other option, you can plop this down here and do picture in a picture. And then you can take your photo and you can place it a little bit to the side, and you can click on it and enlarge it and make it whatever size you want. So this is a good option if maybe the paper plate in the picture is so big that it doesn't, she's covering it up. And then when you're done, you can just press done. And same thing, you want to make sure that you stretch this long enough so that it lasts the whole speech if that's what you want. And then when you're done, you can export just like I showed you a minute ago. And that's it. Have fun. And then after you've exported it out, if there's still time, then you can upload it to YouTube and put it on your Google site. Bye.